you know that Mike Torres worked the night shift at Westfield Mannequin Warehouse for 3 months before he noticed they were moving? It started small, a hand that pointed left instead of right, a head turned toward the security cameras. Mike thought he was losing his mind from too much coffee and too little sleep. But on December 15th, he found something that made his blood freeze. The mannequin in Section C was wearing his neighbor Sarah's missing wedding ring. The one in Section F had on Mr. Peterson's glasses from down the street. And they weren't just wearing the items, they were practicing. Mike watched through the cameras as the plastic figures mimicked human gestures, scratching their heads, adjusting their clothes, even walking with the exact same limp as old Mrs. Chen from the grocery store. The warehouse wasn't storing mannequins for retail